Hey guys, so today's video I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look using a makeup brand that I have never tested or used before. Focallure Beauty reached out to me and asked if I would be willing to try their makeup products for you guys. I said yes, of course. I love trying new makeup and giving you guys my first impressions on them. So here's all... Ooh. This brand reminds me of BH Cosmetics and... what's the other brand? Makeup Revolution at Ulta. So that's the kind of impression they give me, especially for their eye palettes. They have really good prices and they look promising. But if you want to see the makeup look that I create using affordable makeup, stick around. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. I do upload makeup videos Monday and Friday at 2. And they also gave me a coupon code if you are interested in purchasing any of the makeup that I mentioned in this video. In fact, I believe this coupon is good for the entire website. I will leave that link down below for your convenience, and I don't make any money off of that coupon code or this video or anything linked in this video in the description box below. To start off everything, I already put on a makeup primer. I used my Focallure Beauty makeup illuminating oil because that is my go-to for a makeup primer. I haven't really found a drugstore makeup primer, so if any of you have any recommendations, please let me know because I've been really standoffish with drugstore primers. I am using my Catrice HD Liquid Foundation. This is one of my favorite drugstore foundations aside from Makeup Revolution and Wet n Wild. Today I am going to go in with a eyelid primer by Morphe. For my concealer, I'm going to use my Catrice Liquid Camouflage. I love this stuff. It really is kind of old, so I really should update this. But it's one of my favorite concealers, and it's so affordable. Greatest concealer ever. I am going to go in with this Makeup Revolution foundation stick. I just got it in a deeper shade, but I'm going to use this as a cream bronzer contour. Now to set everything in place, I am going to go in with my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. This isn't exactly a drugstore makeup product, but I just find that it works the best with this type of makeup that I'm using today. I'm going to avoid where I put the bronzer because I'm going to go on top of that with a powder bronzer to kind of set that in place. I just did my eyebrows using my Mia Dora On Point brow pencil, and then I set it with my ColourPop Brow Boss gel. I just want to get my eyebrows out of the way so that we could get right into this eye palette, which I am so excited about. I decided to get the Sunrise palette. They have so many eyeshadow palette choices. I had the hardest time picking out the one that I wanted. So this is what the eye palette looks like, and I'm going to open it up. So right off the bat, this reminds me of the Huda Beauty Nude Eye Palette. Looks so good. So maybe I won't even have to buy the Huda Beauty palette. They have like a little tab over this one, so I'm not sure. Oh, that's a cream. Oh, maybe that's like supposed to be the base for your eyeshadow. Did not know that. Okay, so I have a couple of things to say. First of all, don't wet these eyeshadows because this side ended up turning out really crinkly and wrinkly, and it just does not look very good. But this side turned out really nice. I really like how these apply without having to get them wet. I think my favorite for sure are the matte shades in this palette. They are very easy to blend out, and I really like that about this palette. This shade is not very pigmented at all. It looks really pigmented in the pan, but it's not. But this is really pretty. You do not have to wet this. It's actually harder to apply if you do. Overall, I'm pretty impressed. Like, I do like this eyeshadow palette. I think I would go for a different shade option if I decided to get another palette. So for my eyeliner today, I am going to use my Hank & Henry liquid liner, and I'm going to finish up this eye look really quick here. I do want to wear falsies today just to complete the look, so I am going to go in with my NYX On The Rise Volume Mascara. Keep it drugstore. For my lashes today, I'm going to be using these cream eyelashes. I got the On Fleek box subscription, and I've just been wanting to try these out for a while now, and I'm just going to do it today. I just really like how fluttery these are, and I think they're going to be perfect for this look today. Lashes on. I really like how this turned out. I feel like it does have a little bit of a fall vibe to it, especially with the lashes. I feel like the lashes just kind of pulled everything together. For my highlight today, I got the Focallure Diamond Glow highlighter. Is that spelled wrong? Golb? I think they misspelled that. We all make mistakes. It's okay. I do like this packaging though, and the rose gold lettering, that's really pretty. Ooh, so that is what the highlight looks like. You have a little bit of a gold center. Rub my finger on all of it. Ooh, that looks super pretty. Yike-a-rooties, that's intense. I think it's a little bit more subtle and not as intense in one spot. Like, I feel like it kind of melts into my skin and blends in with my cheeks and everything. So I actually really like it. I think I'm going to build it up just a little bit more. I'm going to use my Moda detail brush, and I'm going to go back into this powder, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Get a mixture of the gold in there as well. Yeah, this whole eye look is growing on me more and more. I love this highlighter. I really like this, aside from the fact that they misspell glow. It's kind of funny. So I'm going to try to choose my favorite, but oh my word, all of these look so amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and open them up and show you what they look like. Alright, so we have Ruddy Pink, Sienna, and this matte lip. So I'm thinking I actually want to go in with a velvet lip because this color is looking more fall to me than any of the others. So I think I'm going to go in with the shade Sienna. I think this is more of a fall shade. Ooh, I really like this applicator. Ooh, that was a very strong scent. I do like this color a lot. When I first put this on, it kind of stung my lips, so I don't know what the deal is with that, but this has a really strong smell. Like, it's strong, really strong. See, this one doesn't have as strong of a scent as this one does. Did I just get a bad one? Like, I can't get over the color. I really like the finish and the color of this, but oh my word, this smelled so bad. Alright, so I don't know, I really don't know if I would wear these lips again because they legitimately stung my lips when I put them on. I don't know what the deal is with that. Now that it's on my lips, it feels okay. So I'm not like completely on board with all the products that I tried. I really liked the face highlighter. I think that's very subtle and really nice for like every day. Like, I feel like my cheeks look very, very naturally fresh and dewy. I really like how this highlighter turned out on my skin. The eye palette, I like it. I think that I will definitely be using this. The colors are really pretty. I like the eye look that I got. I'm just not going to be wetting them with my Fix Plus anymore because it didn't really seem to work with it. As far as the lip products are concerned, I love the colors. I just can't get over the scent. Like, it's so strong. So if you don't mind the strong scent and the fact that it kind of burns your lips when you put them on for the first like couple seconds, then you'll be fine with these. They have a really great color selection. I just think the formula could be better. I don't know. Is it just expired? I don't know. I wouldn't think that they would give me an expired one, especially if I'm like recommending it to my subscribers. So I don't know what the deal is with that. So if you're brave, like me, try them out. But that is all that I have for you guys today. I'm not going to put any blush on because I really like how this looks without a blush. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to do more reviews like this. I was pretty brutally honest with Focallure Beauty, but I really do like some of the products that I chose. So hopefully this was helpful for you if you were interested in that brand. Thank you, Focallure Beauty, for sending me this makeup to test out. Let me know what you guys think and if you would like me to do more reviews on makeup products and stuff like that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. Give me a thumbs up if you liked videos like this, and I will be sure to put out more. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.